Hey, did you hear about the latest iPhone SE 4 leak? Apparently, it's going to have the same battery as the iPhone 14, which means it could last a lot longer than the current model. That's what Mac Rumors said, based on some anonymous source who seems to know what they're talking about. And that's not all. The SE4 might also look more like the iPhone 14 with a flat design, a 6.1-inch screen, and maybe even Face ID. But don't get your hopes up for the dynamic island. That's probably too fancy for the budget phone. Apple never tells us how big their batteries are. But we think the iPhone 14 has a 3,279 milliampere cell, which is way bigger than the 2010 milliampere one in the iPhone SE3. We tested both phones and found out that the iPhone SE3 lasted for 9 hours and 5 minutes, while the iPhone 14 lasted for 9 hours and 28 minutes. But of course, the iPhone 14 has more power and a bigger screen. So we can expect the iPhone SE4 to do even better and maybe have some of the best battery life among iPhones. This news makes us more excited about the iPhone SE4. Truth is, if you're looking for a cheap iPhone, you might want to wait for the iPhone SE4. It will be a huge upgrade from the previous SE models, which are either outdated or boring. The iPhone SE4 might look like an iPhone 14, but with some cool extras like an action button, USB-C, and a lighter weight. It will be a perfect phone for those who want iOS and an Apple smartphone. The release date and price of the iPhone SE4 are uncertain, as Apple has not announced any official plans for the device. The iPhone SE series does not follow a regular annual cycle, unlike most other iPhones. The previous models were launched in March 2016, April 2020, and March 2022, respectively. But don't get too excited yet, because the iPhone SE4 is probably not coming anytime soon. The rumors say it could launch in 2025 or later, which is a long time to wait. By then, Apple might have released several new flagship phones that make the iPhone 14 look old. So if you need a new phone right now, you might want to check out our list of the best cheap phones you can buy today. We'll keep you posted with any new leaks or updates about this potential best iPhone. Some sources have claimed that Apple has scrapped the idea of making a 4th generation iPhone SE due to doubts about its popularity and profitability. However, other sources and analysts have contradicted this claim, saying that Apple has resumed the development of the iPhone SE4, but with a delayed launch date. According to leaker Jeff Poo, the iPhone SE4 could arrive in 2025. However, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has suggested that the iPhone SE4 is not part of Apple's new product planning for the next few years, implying that it might not come out until 2026 or later. The price of the iPhone SE4 is also unknown, but it might be similar to the price of the iPhone SE 2022, which starts at $429 USD. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Apple news, reviews, and tips. You can also click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Cheers.